we're going to use the ellipse tool. If it is not there, it's hidden under the rectangle, or you can press L on the keyboard. Make sure your colors are set to default. I'm going to click and drag a circle. To constrain the width and the height, I press Shift, and you can see the pink bars show me it's a circle. I'm going to draw a pretty big circle like that. Now that I've done that, I want to copy it and paste it in the center of here. So if I go up to Edit, Copy, and if I go up to Edit, Paste, it actually is not in the same spot. When you go up to Edit, Paste, it pastes it in the center of the page. Instead, what I want to do is paste it in the center of that circle. So let me undo, Edit, Undo, Paste. I'm going to choose Edit, Paste in Front. It looks like nothing has happened, but it's put one circle on top of the back circle. Click on your selection tool. You select the circle, go up to Object, Transform, and we're going to choose Scale. And we're going to tell it to be, let's try 75%. If we turn on and off preview, it will show us what it looks like. I like that. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to copy this circle and do the same thing again. So if I go Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste in Front, it looks the same. I can go up to Object. I can go down to Transform, Scale. Now I'd like to have a little bit more space here, so I think I'm going to drop this down to 65%. I'm going to preview. You can also press Tab, which will preview it. And there you can see my next circle. Let me go ahead and do this one more time. I'm going to go up to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste in Front. I'm going to go up to Object, Transform, Scale, and I'm going to choose another number here. Again, Tab will let me preview it. I can click OK. Now if I wanted, I could just go Edit, Paste in Front, because I already have that. You can see it covers up this circle, but I can go up to Object, Transform, Scale, and I can scale it down. Press Tab to see what it looks like. And let's say I'm going to do it at 20. And now that I have that, I click OK. And you can see I have this circle. I can now click on the different circles. I can swap the fill and the stroke to give me this target.